Starting a small business is a thrilling journey, and many entrepreneurs begin with DIY marketing. But as businesses grow, so do the challenges. Let's explore why some small businesses outgrow DIY marketing and when it's time to seek professional help. Many owners opt for DIY marketing because it's cost-effective and gives them control. But the truth is, as your business expands, so do the complexities of your marketing efforts. Balancing numerous tasks can lead to overwhelm, and that's when mistakes happen. Time constraints, lack of expertise, and limited resources can hinder growth. When marketing becomes a burden, it's a sign to consider professional services. A professional team can bring fresh perspectives and a wealth of knowledge that can drive your success. Transitioning to professional marketing can unlock new opportunities for growth. It's about focusing on what you do best while experts handle your marketing strategies. With the right support, you can elevate your brand and connect more effectively with your audience. Ready to elevate your marketing? Contact MarketinGear today, and let's build a strategy that propels your business forward.